Have you ever tested how many words per minute you can type? Do you want to improve your typing skills? Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share 4 best websites that you can practice. Let's begin. Number 1. Go to Google. In the search area, write Rata type. Press enter and click here Rata type. Click on Take Typing Test. Click on Start Typing Now. So here now you can type. Number 2. Go to Google, write Typing Study. Press enter. Click on Task Typing Study. Click on Start Typing. So here now you can type. Number 3. Go to Google, in the search area, write keyboard. Press enter. Click on keyboard. Now you can type. Number 4. Go to Google, in the search area, type in Academy. Click on Type in Academy. Click on Practice Now. Click on Start Random Lesson. Here we go, now you can type. Okay friends, if this video is useful, share with your friends, follow and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.